So hi guys, today we are going to see the all new Skoda Rapid 2020 which comes with 1 liter TSI engine which produces 110 bhp and 175 Newton meters of torque. It is a 3-cylinder 1000cc engine mated with a 6-speed manual transmission, and the particular variant is a petrol variant, and the car looks very gorgeous. Just take a look of this car. And let's see how much time it takes to go from 0 to 100. Let's start. रुको जरा सबर करो. Before we start, just go and subscribe the channel because we are bringing a series of acceleration tests of different automobiles. So if you don't want to miss the fun and the adrenaline rush, just go and subscribe. Before you guys come and beat me up, let's start for real. Now let's check out the same thing from different angles. An outside angle is also important. So let's check out that also. So guys, it took 11.53 seconds for a 3-cylinder TSI engine to take a 1.1 ton Skoda Rapid from 0 to 100 km per hour. The numbers are pretty good, and it was very amazing to see a 3-cylinder motor perform so well. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down your thoughts and subscribe the channel for more such content. Thank you.